Why is not your resume getting you PM interviews? If you are applying like crazy but you are not still hearing back from the recruiters and hiring managers, chances are very high that your resume is a problem. So let me break down in this particular video that what are the 5 mistakes 90% aspiring product managers make, and most importantly, how to fix them today. Before we will dive in, if you need my personalized guidance in rewriting your resume and making it top notch, then in that case, book a one-on-one call with me. The link is in the description. So over there, I will go through your existing resume, I will review that resume, and I will give you the actionable things, that what all the precise things that you should do over there to make it top notch for this PM interviews, to get the PM interview calls. So link is in the description, go check it out. So mistake number 1 that aspiring product managers make, they are listing tasks instead of the impact. So most of the aspiring product managers mention that they are mentioning like worked on dashboard, worked on this, worked on that, responsible for this, okay, led this particular team, used this particular tool. This is something that doesn't make any impact on the recruiters. This literally means nothing to the recruiters. So to fix this, start using a so what technique. So let's suppose you are writing launched onboarding feature. So what? It improved the activation by 15%. So what? It helped reduce the support queries. This is the impact. And how you can use ChatGPT to create these actionable things rather than writing down the task, how to come up with the impactful lines. So you can use this particular ChatGPT prompt. Act like a product career coach, rewrite this resume point using the so what method to highlight the impact like a product manager. The second mistake is no product portfolio. Hiring managers don't care about that what you say. They cares about that what you show. So to fix this, you should include a real product portfolio link in your resume on the top. What should be included in this particular portfolio? You can add UX designs over there, working prototypes over there, the product tear downs over there, or product case studies over there. You can add PRDs over there, and most importantly, you should add a real product over there. And you can easily create these products using no-code tools. Nowadays, a lot of no-code tools like Lovable, Bolt, Replit, a lot of no-code tools are available out there, and you can use them to create the website, mobile applications, and that will make your product portfolio to be the top 5% portfolios out there. And if you want to know that how you can create this, you can refer to my YouTube video where me and Palash, who is the director at Dream11, we created a product right from the scratch using no-code tools without writing a single line of code. And most importantly, don't forget to add the link of this portfolio at the top of your resume and your LinkedIn as well. The third mistake is generic or the misaligned summary. So most summaries says hardworking professional looking for a challenging PM role. So rather than writing this, use a role aligned summary over there. So the better example is product enthusiast with 6+ years in support, pivoting into the PM with hands-on portfolio and strong customer empathy. And the beautiful part is that you can create such summaries using the help of the ChatGPT. So for that, you can use this ChatGPT prompt. Act like a senior resume strategist. Rewrite this summary to position me as an aspiring product manager with transferable experience from your existing role. You can mention over there. The fourth mistake is no job description alignment or weak keyword strategy inside your resume. Do you know that keywords matters a lot to get your resume shortlisted by the ATS and the recruiters? And these recruiters scan for the keywords from the JD. They literally scan for the keywords in your resume. And if they don't find those keywords, very high chances that they will immediately reject your resume. So to fix this, you can use this particular ChatGPT prompt. You can use this ChatGPT prompt, give the JD to the ChatGPT, and it will help you out. Act like an ATS optimizer, scan this JD and give me the top keywords to include in my product manager resume. The fifth mistake is poor layout and the design. So a very common issues that I have found in the PM resumes is people use emojis, they use photographs, they use multi-column design, they use some graphics over there, they use hard to read fonts inside their resume, visual clutters, multi-column layout, 2-column, 3-column layout they are using. They are like the red flags to get your resume rejected. So to fix this, the simple thing is stick to a simple, clean, single column layout. That's the simple best thing that you can do with your resume. And it should have clear heading on the top, enough white space on the left, right, bottom, top. A lot of people get into this trap that they compromise with the white space. They are using small fonts. No. Okay? And use plain formatting. You go with the Arial Calibri font, no fancy. Just use 11 to 12 points of the size, not less than that. A lot of people go with 8, 7 font size to fit in everything into it, which really makes the resume non-readable at all for the recruiters. And always save your resume as a PDF, not as a Word, and the PDF should be with your name. And if you want to go deeper that how you can use these AI tools like ChatGPT to optimize your resume and land more PM interview calls, so in that case, I want you to go and watch my podcast with Sumant, where we break down step by step how AI can help you stand out from the rest other people out there in terms of the resume, how you can use AI powerfully to create your resume, write a better resume that will have super high chances to get shortlisted by the ATS and the recruiters as well. So you can find the link in the description, or you can find it over here as well. And if you are really serious about making a transition into this product management role, so in that case, I will recommend you to book a one-on-one demo call with my team, where my team will, based on your previous background, they will create your personalized game plan that how you can make a successful and a easy and smooth transition into this product management role in next 4 to 5 months max.